What's up? We're playing Girl Guard. This is the new one. And today, we're trying to get the sugar apple. I got 4 amber lilies, but no sugar apples. Yeah. And we're also gonna try out this new working bee update. What I already did, I tried to get the honey ball, the honey thorn, and I got a succulent from a random poll. So I think the easiest one to get is like the bee balm with the crocus and lavender. I'm trying to get the Luminer, but I need the Malkara, and I don't even know how to say these, because I need to get the dandelion to put it in here, so I already have an orange tulip. You just meant to get the daffodil, which there never is. To be prepared. I got 4 cooked owls, because I was plagued with my ultrasound. Okay. Oh, so this was the honey of it? Oh, yes. Okay. We need a checker. I need these. Wait. Oh, wait, I can get a crocus. Oh, and then I can get the... Wait. Okay, I'll do it. This will probably be the only thing I'm crafting in this video, because these crafting things take too long. For some reason, these take too long. And I'm kind of sick, but not nothing. My garden's so messy now, look. I have so many beans. Actually, it's not that messy. To be honest, the fruit was mid, but it's actually kind of good. Wait, I never even tried the nectar thorn. Nectar thorn? Oh, I also got the pineapple from the seed pack. How much are a nectar forms worth? I want to sell this. 50,000? That's base price, but it was also kind of big, so it's around 45,000 or something. What? You'll see later. Liberty. Okay, wait. Wait, give me a second. Okay, I'm moving, but I don't know where I'm going. Oh, wait, I'm lagging. Wait, why am I actually lagging? Okay, I'm back. I was lagging. Let's see the gears. Okay. Watermelon, strawberry, and dragon fruit. Okay. That's actually not that hard. Just you put a daffodil in the seed some. Oh, and pumpkin, but I need that for my thing. I guess I need 7 pumpkins. Liberty. Okay, what's in the seed shop? Daffodil! Yes. Yeah. Bro, wait! Stop! Wait, no! Wait. Since this video will be like 25 minutes, actually. Pretty. Okay. Oh wait, select what? Oh, this is the sprinklers. Wait. Ah. Ah. I don't like doing quests anymore. It won't let me delete it. Okay, there. Toot, 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 toot. Toot, 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 toot. Toot, 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 toot. Toot, 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 toot. Da, da, da. Da, da. Da, da, da. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Do, do. Do, 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 do. Okay, I'm bored. No, let's just try the 5 tickets. Ballad fruit. I'm just sprigs. Oh wait, that's actually kind of cool. But when will I ever use this? I'm like... Oh. I like my mutations. Oh, you can get rid of pollen. Why'd I do that? Okay, I don't have that anymore. I've been grinding all day. I like how they give more pollen. Now I have 400 honeys. Bro. What am I lagging? What am I lagging? The only reason why I didn't post this earlier is just because I literally woke up at 5 a.m. but I had to record at 7. But I got 1 cooked owl, 2 cooked owl, 3 cooked owl, 4 cooked owl. Oh wait, but dandelion will make that malka seed, and then I can make the daffodil seed, and then I can do that, and then I can make the six seed or whatever. 32. So this is my central elimination. Wait, let's get to know this guy. Murder inside. Are you excited? I'm excited. Hot so just once. What do I do? Wait, what if I have an idea? I actually... Since I'm bro... Ooh... I never even seen a sugar apple. It's probably not gonna come out today. Simulate the next challenge just to watch the newest. Probably. Almost died. 18 times. It's a lot of times almost. So let's go. I'm so. Oh wait, I'm lagging. I'm sorry. This video will come out on Sunday because I don't know. Oh hey, yeah. I'm thinking what I should make for my thumbnail. I want to do thumbnail style thingy. I need pumpkins. Ooh. I mean, I like watermelon as a fruit IRL. But I need pumpkins in this game. You know what, since I'm bored, and these take 10 minutes, I'll buy one to see if I get a golden lab. Oh wait, and also I have stuff, I save stuff for my video. Look. Hats? Oh. Dragon tooth. Oh my god, this is... What does this giant ant even do? I think it does like random stuff. I don't even know. I really know what it does, and I think it's useless, but I forgot, so I got to sell this. I'm sorry. Wait, Billion. I'm talking to you. Right now. We're gonna do some decorations. Ah! Why did I? Okay, so should I collect my moon melon, especially this one I bought? It's like probably my most expensive. It's pollinated, disco socked, frozen wet, and more. I don't even know. I'm still kind of sick. Swarm of edge. I missed. Oh, I also got. These are the seeds I got from the new update. The violet corn, the succulent. That's what I was talking about, and the. I got lots of succulents, and I got. Bro, he kept giving up Ember Lilies for free, bro. Jandel, you're Sigma. And he shouted out the Philippines again! My garden has changed since last week. Whoa. Let's see what's in the honey shop. So... That's gonna get sprays. Okay. Oh, lavender seed. Don't I need that? But let's see my seed. Okay, I favorited the ones I need for quests. Okay, I did get a lavender seed. I need watering cans. I used them way too much. Ooh, I think I'm gonna make my thumbnails longer, and if I quit making them longer, I'm just gonna make them back to my OG style. Swarm event. Because listen, oh wait. Let's read these. Oh, size bonus for cool. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, let's just keep. Why is it the berry? Grapes are berries now? Spice, watermelon. Okay, watermelons alone. Bro. Honey crafter crate. Oh wait, mutant spray of sock. Oh wait. Oh. Clean snow sugar apple. I don't know. Let's see. I also need a purple dye heel or something. Oh! This is like my 50th, 700th box club. I have to delete like most of them. Now I'm just stacking them up because I'm too lazy. Ooh. Wait, it's Double B event. Yes. Yes. That's what that's insane. What is it with your family's hands? People just are. Wait. My brain's not braining. Wait. If you guys want a cooked owl, I will give you I'll give you a cooked owl. Nah. I'll give you a cooked owl if you're a noob. What? I'll give you a cooked owl if you want. I'll give you an extra cooked owl if you want it. Just write it in the comments. Just write in your username and then I'll pick one winner randomly in the comments. All you have to do is subscribe. And actually, if there's no one in the comments, I'm just keeping them. But if you subscribe, you like this video, and comment your username, and share this video, I'll give you 2 cooked owls. Because I use my alt account, so it's okay. But I'm taking this one. I didn't even notice it was bigger, but I just wanted to keep it. So that's the giveaway. I'll give you 2 for one person. And you don't have to give me nothing. I should do more giveaways in my Grow Garden videos. Yeah, wait. Yeah. I'll do way more giveaways in my Grow Garden videos now. Okay. So, yeah, I'll only give it to one person. No, actually, yeah, one person. Because one person, I don't know. One person is like the only person who would probably like my video, so. Unless I just put. Oh, wait, no, wait. Oh, okay. Just friend my username. It's called Derek Pop. No, wait, don't friend my username. I'll friend you. You write your username. Just say your name is, I'm so pro at this game, but I'm noob at another game. No, wait. I'm so Sigma boy. No, wait. Oh my god. Wait, let me think of a name. Sigma123, and your skin is like a brain, like Skibidi Toilet. I'll still give it to you, as long as I choose you. So, that's the giveaway part. Now, okay. And I'll also, if you have a YouTube channel, I'll subscribe to it. Yeah. So, maybe I'll subscribe to it. Yeah, I will subscribe to it, but then I'll have like 1 million subscribers, and then I can't find the root of blah. Candy apple. No, it's sugar apple. It's because I said candy. No, stop. So that is the plan. Join the giveaway. If you are... Wait. Wait, this one's the smallest, but it says it has the most weight. I don't even know, Grow Garden weight. This cooked owl looks so cool. So if you want 4 cooked owls and you're a new player, I recommend you sharing to your friends, comment, subscribe, and like. Okay, thank you. Yeah, actually, I might post this today at night. Because that's like Is it done? Yes! Okay. Please. Ah! If I get this thing one more time. Oh, daffodil? Okay, so we do the mocha and then, okay. Mocha will craft, get orange tulip, and... Where's the daffodil? Daffodil. Daffy Duck. Oh wait, or I don't even know what this is called. I bought the daffodil though. Did I plant it? Oh, daffodil there. Start. Okay. So do they get over? Oh, so maybe we should. What hour? 1 hour just for like 1 minute? That ain't worth it. Oi, bro. Okay, this would actually. Okay, these ones actually might be worth it. Choco. Beauty. Why the hot sauce? Hot sauce? Oh yeah, but there's never any lightning rods in there. So, Bee Blum. The choco one is like the only one I can do. 20, honey? Only for one plant or something? That's crazy. 19, 18, 17, 16, 13, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo! I don't think anyone actually watches my videos that far. Unless I make a good thumbnail. Oh, wait, I have an idea. Oh, wait, my egg hatch. If it's a bunny or a dog, I'm leaving. Even if it's a golden library, bro. Bunnies suck. They eat like carrots. They're big bags. I'm gonna sell them. I'll just get my pollen radar already. Let's get these. Bruh, that it, bruh. Oh. Bruh. There. Okay, got a few more. I'm too lazy to collect that one. See? Okay. Okay, now we climb up here. Now this is gonna take me 1 hour to give the mother the final moment of truth. Will it be? Okay, of course it's not. It stopped. So, got to go. Bye!